Hi everybody, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. So today I am going to be blanching tomatoes. There was a really good deal on these Roma tomatoes, and so I went and bought 40 pounds, and I'm going to blanch them. I'm going to make salsa, and I haven't figured out what else I'm going to do with them. But I wanted to show you the process of blanching. So I'm going to take you over to the pot and let you see. So first I take my tomato and I just twist this little top off. And then I take my knife and I make two slits, one on each side. And I do that with all of my tomatoes. You have to have a really sharp knife too. And then I put just 5 at a time in this measuring cup. Then I have my pot of boiling water. And then I'm just gonna, I use the measuring cup because I can get down in there without splashing myself. Then you want to leave them in there for maybe 30 seconds. You want to have either an ice bath, or our water is so cold here it's like ice. And I just leave the water running. And once you take those tomatoes out, you're then going to dump them into the cold water. Okay, that's been about 30 seconds. See how those tomatoes split like that? The skin starts peeling off. Okay, I have my tomatoes in the measuring cup. Then I'm just going to dunk them into the cold water. Let them cool off for a second. You can see the skins peeling off. And they just slide off. This is my skin bowl, and then I have my tomato bowl behind me. The skins go to the chickens. I've done about 110 pounds so far this year. This will be about 150 once I get done with these. Oops, look at that. Do the wrong one and the wrong thing. Alright, and then you keep doing that until all of your tomatoes are done. When you get a big amount, then you want to take them. What I do is I just take them. I don't cut all the seeds out. I just cut this hard piece out here. And then I just dice them. Put them in a big Tupperware bowl so that I can finish cooking them this weekend. And from here I can make anything. I can make sauce, I can make paste, I can make diced tomatoes, I can do anything with it. So this is how you do it. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Have a good night.